Something just came today. Liam is going to be so excited about this. So what's inside is the Thomas and Friends Knapford station. So here's an instruction manual. Truthfully, I wasn't aware that we would have to be putting something together, but I am up for the challenge. Tracks that it comes with. If you're a fan of Thomas and Friends, then you know Knapford Station. There are so many different tracks, and I could only think of the endless possibilities of different track layouts that we could do with Knapford Station as part of our set. I love the size of the station. The actual set is constructed from sustainably sourced beechwood. I love the sustainability aspect, but also the durability. There are 2 different levels to this station. So you have the, 1, 2, 3, 4 different tracks on the bottom. And then you have this track up here, which I didn't even realize until I opened it. So we're gonna have a lot of fun figuring out how we can connect to the upper level. And there are 4 different tracks that come with this. So you have these 2, and then you have these. I guess it's really 6 because these are each 2 pieces, but you have these little extenders here. And this is gonna be made for, my son's a kindergartner and my youngest is in preschool. So this is gonna be a perfect set for both of them to play with. What I love the most about this set is the fact that it's going to be compatible with all of our trains that we have already. This is a Thomas and Friends all-engine go train. It's the size of our other wooden trains. 2 trains already, which is fantastic. It also comes with these little sliders of luggage, and you can place the luggage up here and then, whoops, comes down. I was trying to do that quick to get my hand out of the way. And then when the luggage is done, it gets ready for pickup by all the passengers. Is the Knapford station worth it? Absolutely. I know my kids are gonna use this almost every day. In person, this station is fairly large and it feels quality. It feels like it's not going to break on the first time they play with it. It feels very durable. It's a very solid station. Although it has the high price point, I know that my kids are gonna get a lot of use out of this station. Do you have the Knapford station? Do your kids have the Knapford station? Let me know. I would love to know how long this has lasted in your family because it does feel very durable, and I hope that this station lasts us many, many years.